In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a photo collage in Canva. It's quick, easy, and free for Canva for education users. Whether you're putting together a collection of favorite moments, creating a visual story, or simply having some fun with photos, Canva offers a user-friendly and versatile approach to designing your collage. All you need to get started is a Canva account, so let's dive in and get creative. First, head over to Canva's homepage. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. If you're an educator, you're in luck, as Canva for education users have access to this feature for free. Once logged in, take a look at the left side menu panel. You'll see a button that says Plus Create. Go ahead and click on that to start your collage masterpiece. Now, a selection of options will appear. You'll want to focus on social media. Clicking on it will bring up various format options perfect for digital sharing. We recommend starting with a 1080 by 1080 pixel canvas. This size is ideal for social media platforms where your collage can stand out vibrantly and clearly. With your blank canvas now open, navigate over to the left side of your screen once more and click on Elements. This is where you can really start to bring your design to life. In the search bar provided, type in Grids. Grids are like frames that help structure your photos within the canvas, perfect for piecing your collage together seamlessly. There they are, the grids. To see all available options, click on See All Grids. You'll likely notice a plethora of styles and patterns to choose from. Take your time to explore and pick a grid pattern that best fits your creative vision. Whether it's a classic look you desire or something a bit more dynamic, there's a grid for every style. Once you've selected your grid, it's time to incorporate your photos. Return to the left side of your screen and click on Uploads. From here, you can drag and drop your photos directly into the grid spaces. As you do this, you can adjust and align your photos within each frame to ensure everything looks just right. And there you have it, a unique photo collage created with ease. Remember, you can always move, resize, or swap out your photos as many times as you like until you're satisfied with the final design. Canva makes it simple to play around and achieve the look you want without any hassle. So go on, give it a try, and let your creativity run wild. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing!